Hi guys, welcome to TICU. Today we are going to be learning cost behavior and cost segregation techniques. Understanding cost behavior and segregation is very crucial in effective management decision making. Firstly, we are going to talk about cost. Cost is defined as the value of economic resources used in the production of goods, services, income, or profit. So breaking down cost into their various elements helps in making informed decisions regarding product lines, pricing, and production methods. Next, we are going to be talking about cost classification. Cost classification is the logical grouping of cost data to enable the cost accountant to drop a cost statement, evaluate performances, and also forestall workers' excesses. Costs can be classified in various ways, each serving a purpose in cost accounting and analysis. Number one, elements of a product. Under elements of a product, we have direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. Direct materials are raw materials that can be easily or directly traced to the product. Direct labor is wages for workers directly involved in production. Manufacturing overhead. In manufacturing overhead are costs, indirect costs associated with production. Number two, classification based on relationship to production. We have production cost and non-production cost. So production costs are costs incurred during manufacturing, and non-production costs are costs that are not directly tied to production. Number three, classification based on relationship to volume, which is what we're going to be focusing on in this tutorial. So we have fixed costs, variable cost, and mixed costs. So as we all know, fixed cost are costs that do not change with the level of production. For example, rent, salaries. Variable costs are costs that are directly proportional to the production level. It changes with your level of production as per time. So mixed cost contains both elements of fixed and variable costs. Number four, cost classification based on ability to trace. We have direct costs and indirect costs. And number five, cost classification based on relationship to planning, controlling, and decision making. Cost estimation techniques. Estimating costs accurately is essential for budgeting and management decision making. So there are four common methods of segregating and estimating costs.